Manipur private hospital Shingna Ana-Layeng Lamda Achouba Thoudang Louri HAINA Manipur LEINGAK Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. SAPAM RANJAN na PHONGDORAKLI Khabai Soida Laiba American Oncology Institute Babina Specialty Hospital da Radioactive Iodine Therapy ki Center ama nona hangdokpaga mari lainana pangtokpa thoramda wafam asi phongdokladuna mahangna hai ngasi hangdogliba iodine therapy ki center asi Manipur da ahanbane asigumba makalgi khudongchaba asi Manipur ga khwaidagi nagnana leiba mafamna Guwahati dani Center Cancer Lainagi Maru Oiba Laying Pathap Amu Oiriba Iodine Therapy asi Manipur su Lairabanina Sel ka hena Chading Tawbadagi Ayamba Lakshin Mangamlagani American Oncology Institute Babina Specialty Hospital asina hek sapung lagpadagi ngasi fawbada mioi lising kunmathoi rom OPD patient oina cancer laying bagi khudong chaba lawkre masina status da cancer laina asi yamna section ingai oiba pibam amada leire haibadu takli Manipur da non communicable disease na nabagi chang asi chada humpu manga romni masigi manungda cancer laina na Naba migi masing asi yamlamgani haibagi thazabalai amaromda CMHT amasung PMJAY karna statusigi miyam da chauna kudong chaba amasupiri lamdam asigi private hospital ayambada hairiba kudong chaba asi piba maramna aruba layeng kya chathaba matamda miyam aduki matek safahali statusi da private hospital gi mateng yaudana anaba sing ningthina layeng chathaba haibasi araiba wafam amadinate maramaduna private amasung government hospital sing kusamna duna lamdam asida khwaidagi phaba healthcare gi kudong chaba miyam da phangansi haina su minister SAPAM RANJAN na makatana phongdokhi
As from the health department side, as I CMHT, PMJY, so our government's endeavor is to make sure that out-of-pocket expenses, expenses to be minimized to the minimum. CMHT, PMJY, yes, hospitals, we acknowledge, our government acknowledges the support private hospitals, because without the support, without the help of the private hospitals, it would be very, very difficult for us to, take care of all the patients in a very proper way. We do acknowledge the tremendous help that's been given to us by the private hospitals, and I'm sure the help that is rendered to us by the private hospitals would always continue, till the very end.
Manipur LEINGAK Health Services ki Director Oinam Sanahan Biyauna Pangthokiba Thoramadu Saru Yakiba Bavina Diagnostic Chairman cum Managing Director Dr. T.H. Dabalina Hai ngasi hangdogliba radioactive iodine therapy ki center asi thyroid cancer na naba patient singi oinadi yamna maruoiba laying pathap amani nupi singda khwaidagi naganba cancer amasu oiriba thyroid cancer asi laying bada iodine therapy asi tangai fadana taunai asigumba khudong chaba asi loge hairabadi Guwahati amasung Delhi na chingba mafum singda chataba yade adubu Manipurda khudong chaba asi leirabanina ahianba sanpham chading tawraroi amaromda cancer gi laying pathapta kumang chawsinba oina American Oncology Institute Babina Specialty Hospital asida bone marrow transplant ki unit ama thani gi manungda hanglagani unit asi hangnabagi damal hospital asida ayamba sem saba loirakle transplant unit asigi khusugulai sing hek yaurakbaga thabak haurani loinana hospital asi National Accreditation Board for Hospital and Healthcare gi assessment loikre atubada accreditation fanglagani masida sunatana hospital asigi unit kharada Center for Excellence ki certificate adusu batamgi matung inna lawnaba khonagani haina Dr. Dabalina makatana phongdokhi
Kusuplai singko ek thungabaga bone marrow transplant su sigi centers da hordi duga matung inna unit kharada hospital se da question no ki Center of Excellence aba adugi kanoda certification to below na hana jagani aduga loina na sigi hospital si NABH ki assessment loire aduga ayamba loina ba qualify ware point kharada non compliancing aduga complying within a few months' time, this hospital will also be accredited by National Board of Hospital Accreditation.